Welcome to Photoplay Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman. Today I'd like to share with you the Love Letters collection designed by Becky Moore. This collection includes 6 double-sided 12 by 12 papers, ephemera, a sticker sheet, stamps, coordinating dies, as well as a Color Me paper and a die paper. Let's take a look at each of these pieces individually. The first piece in this collection is the collection kit. The collection kit includes 6 double-sided beautiful papers that are perfect for Valentine's Day. In this kit, you'll get 2 of each of the papers as well as a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. The element sticker sheet features lots of great designs, including tags, typewriters, fun envelopes, 12 by 12 border stickers, great for 12 by 12 layouts, as well as letter stickers to use for titles. Love this mailbox. There's a couple different styles of mailboxes as well. Fun different elements including hearts, jars of hearts, these cute little birds. The first paper I want to share with you is called Love is in the Air, and it features 2 4x6 cut-aparts and all of these great 3x4 cut-aparts. Perfect for adding to layouts, pocket pages, as well as quick and easy cards. The back side features a wonderful red background with these tiny little white hearts. I just want to share a few of the cards that I made using the cut-aparts so that you can see how easy it is to just cut the 3x4s apart, add some background paper. I used a little bit of foam mounting tape to give added depth and dimension, but every different background gives the card a unique look to it. Love the typewriter. I'm a big typewriter fan. Love the little birds. How cute is that? The last one I used the 4x6 and cut it down just a skosh to be able to add it on a card that's horizontal. Added a little ephemera piece up here. Quick, easy, you have cards in minutes. This paper is called Lovebirds, and the little birds that were created by Becky are absolutely adorable. They've got the sweetest little faces, and the background features fun little envelopes and hearts. Just so cute. The back of this paper features fun whimsical hearts on a black background. This paper is called Loves Me, Loves Me Not. The nice thing about this paper is this beautiful floral background does not have to be used for Valentine's Day. It's stunning just by itself with a great black background, fun little tiny flowers. So pretty. The back of that features a light pink background with just fun darker pink swirls and leaves. Again, this does not scream Valentine's Day. You could easily use it for weddings and so much more. This paper is called Love, and it features tons of different bouquets as well as some bottles and jars with hearts and notes in them. Love the little message in a bottle. That's fun. The back of that totally screams Valentine's Day. It says, "Be my Valentine," over and over in this great script lettering on a black background. I have to confess, this is probably my favorite paper in the whole collection because I collect vintage mailboxes. So when I saw this paper, I could not help but squeal because it features some of the mailboxes that I have in my collection, which are so fun. So if you like fussy cutting, you could easily fussy cut some of the mailboxes out and add as elements on your project. So cute. The back of that is very neutral with a black and white check. So you could easily use this for something that's not Valentine's Day, as well as card bases, backgrounds for layouts, and more. This paper is called Falling in Love. It features lovely cascading hearts streaming down the page on the front, and then this beautiful two-tone stripe on the back. This is going to make a beautiful card as well as backgrounds for layouts. So pretty. If you enjoy the Color Me papers in all of our collections, this one just is absolutely beautiful. I love all of the different elements that you can color, quickly cut apart, and add to a card or a layout. As with all of the Color Me paper, you can also color a few elements in the corner, cut them out with the matching dies, and create a quick card as well. Great for 3D elements. The back of this paper features this fun heart design that you could color in reds and pinks or your favorite color, as well as rainbow colors. I think it'd be beautiful with a cascading rainbow colored hearts. The other thing you can do with this is run it through your Mink machine and foil it. The last paper in this collection is the die paper, and it features all of the different little birds, this great mailbox, jars of hearts, sentiments, hearts, as well as a ready-made card you just have to cut and add adhesive. So your coordinating dies match all of the pieces on this paper. You can easily cut out extra pieces of ephemera to add to your layouts. Down here at the bottom, you can see a card idea using the pieces in this collection for a quick and easy card. Here's another card I created using elements from the die paper. With markers, I went ahead and created a background. Just quick and easy, fast tree with some clouds and a little bit of ground. I did extend the post with just a piece of black paper, and I 3D mounted the little elements to give it extra depth and dimension. How cute is that? I can't hardly wait to play with all of the different parts and pieces that come in this collection. If you love to make cards for Valentine's Day, this is a great collection to pick up the stamps and coordinating dies. The stamps include these two adorable birds, my favorite, the post box, a letter, two jars filled with hearts, some extra hearts to stamp in the background, as well as some great sayings. And the sayings include sending you love, love you more, hope you'll be mine, as well as you give me all the feels. I kind of like that. The dies include all of the matching dies to go with the elements in the stamp set, as well as 4 different tiny hearts. And I think this would be fun to use with your colored cardstock to be able to cut hearts and maybe put into a shaker card. All kinds of options with the little tiny hearts, not just for Valentine's Day. This is the Love Letters Ephemera pack. It includes 26 beautiful pieces of ephemera, perfect for adding beautiful elements to your layouts, cards, paper projects, and so much more. It includes fun mailboxes, as well as great sayings, little letters, this adorable little bird. So that is the ephemera pack that matches beautifully with all of the papers in this collection. Thanks for stopping by PHOTOPLAY Paper today. We hope you enjoyed the Love Letters collection as much as we did creating it for you. If you liked this video, please like, share, and leave a message. Have a great day.